Take a backpack, grab a few friends, look after your safety. Tell your parents, drop me in Kashmir, and after 1 year, pick me up in Kanyakumari. You look after yourself, travel across the country, go from village to village, town to town, meet people, learn how to deal with people, learn how to deal with situations that will teach you everything you need to know. You don't have to go to college after that. You don't have to learn anything. It will teach you marketing. It will teach you everything. In our country, often, one thing I always feel irritated with is that when I hear a person saying, in India, nothing will change. It's a very cynical thought, a very negative thought, that in India nothing ever changes. What will you do? What will happen because of you or me doing something? It's a very negative thought. Yes, change is possible. We have to just realize. And yes, it is possible. And it is in fact possible when we help someone. It's a great feeling. It's a great feeling to do something for somebody. You guys are really young. And I think that if there is anything that you can move towards, work which helps our society, our nation, and in nation building, so much to do. So much to do, huge amount of satisfaction and happiness you feel inside you. So the day we realize that we all are human beings, we all are equal, and let's hold hands and move together, and let's give a strength to each other. Let me make you more powerful, because if you are more powerful, I am helped in the long run. Some of us have it naturally, and some of us need to build it once. That is the ability to focus on what you are doing, so that nothing else distracts you, and not waver from that. That not only makes you work in the right direction, work hard, but also it helps you make the right decision. A lot of people say, I don't like to compromise. Even I say don't compromise. What I mean is don't compromise with your dreams. That doesn't mean that don't compromise, because compromise is an important aspect of life. Knowing when to compromise, knowing when to say, this is the battle I have to let go of. I have got 5 bags on my shoulder and I have to jump over a wall. I'm not able to do that. I have to leave one of the bags, or I will try with all the 5 bags and I will fall down. I don't want to fall down. I want to go over the wall. I have to leave one of the bags. I have to decide which bag to drop, what is least important to me. So the ability that you have as a person to decision that this is the least important. Right now I can let go of this one. The ability to know that this is my limitation. So if you are focused on your goal, all of this will fall into place. So that is something that you will help you. Your ability to focus with distractions around.